Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explain you how to answer tell me something about yourself, especially if you have come across having a experience of 2 to 3 years as a software tester. If you have experience of 2 to 3 years of experience as a software tester, then how you should answer tell me something about yourself interview questions. This is very challenging and very important question. I'm going to tell you how to answer this question. The first thing is you should introduce yourself by telling your name. You should also talk about what is your education qualification, which year you have completed, from which college, which university you have completed your graduation, your post graduation, or your diploma, or any other degree. Then the third thing you should do here is, because you have an exposure, you have experience of 2 to 3 years of experience, then you should call that out, which year you have joined that company and what role you have taken up in that company, and what are the various different roles you have performed from last 2 to 3 years. You should briefly explain the complete experience from last 2 to 3 years, whatever the thing you worked upon, you should be able to explain within 2 or 3 minutes. What are the various different projects which you have executed, and you should talk about more relevant to the current role which you are looking here. You should be able to correlate all your 2 to 3 years of experience that would help in this current role. That's how you should be able to explain here. And also talk about introduction. You should talk about the scope of the project which you have executed earlier. What are your achievements? Also, you should talk about what are the various testing process you have come across, what are the various methodologies, what are the various design techniques you know, what are the execution methodologies you know, what are the defect management, defect life cycle, everything you should be able to talk about within those 2 to 3 minutes. And if you have exposure in automation, you should also talk about what are the various tools you have worked upon in these last 2 to 3 years, what is your experience, what is the value addition you brought, what is the resulted revenue got saved because of the bringing automation. And also, if you have an exposure in handling database management systems, database testing, then you should also talk about your exposure in any of SQL, MySQL, or any other databases. That would give a confidence to your interviewer that this guy really brings solid experience and he's having 2 to 3 years of experience in software testing. He has not just worked on manual testing, and also he brings a lot of automation experience as well. That is where you are building a confidence to the interviewer that you are the right fitment or right candidate for their job. So that is how you should explain to this interview question. I hope you guys really like this video. Then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.